This is Mac. It's a great museum, but unfortunately, no one knows about it. We are gonna change that by working together with the right people. Here is our plan. Step 1. Activating the M floor. The M floor of Mac is a great space with unused potential. We want students from FAUUSP to use it as a platform for cool initiatives like running a cafe, showcasing their projects, selling their creative work in a shop, and also create events. It could be anything, from morning yoga to a concert on the porch. The activities on the porch will be visible from the bridge, so bypassers will know that Mac is alive with creativity. Imagine how much attention this movement will create. Visitors coming to take part in the activities will share their experiences through social media and by word of mouth. Now that's free promotion. Step 2. Creating partnerships. Students of FAUUSP will create a press kit to contact companies and businesses. The kit will contain footage of the new living atmosphere at the museum and show what Mac has to offer their partners: space, view, location, and easy access to the public. The partners can in return offer valuable resources for Mac. Let's just give you an example. Some students have organized a monthly concert on the porch. Sony wants to get involved after seeing this awesome press kit. They decide to sponsor the concerts by providing speakers, LED screens, and by promoting the event. In effect, the partnership generates hype for the sponsor, resources for the creative students, and more visitors to Mac. Now what do you think? Let's make it happen. Come in. The museum is yours.